Hi everybody! We are going to do some skip counting starting by tens. So when I say a number and then I'm going to point to you and you're going to say the number that goes in the blank. So let's go ahead and begin. 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Very good. We just counted by tens. So let's fill in what we said. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job. Now we are going to skip count by 5. So again, I'm going to say the numbers in red, and when I point to you, you're going to say the blank. Ready? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Very good. Again, we're going to go ahead and fill these out with counting by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Very good. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to count by twos. So same rules. I'm going to say the number, and when I point to you, you say the missing number. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, and 50. So let's fill this out together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 44, 46, 48, and 50. Great job. We counted by tens to 100, by fives to 100, and by twos to 50. Great job, everybody. So now that we've done our skip counting activity and warmed up a little bit with numbers, we're going to go to Seesaw, and you are going to find your Math About Me assignment. The first thing you're going to do is read the directions. It says, let's have fun and use math to share a little bit about ourselves. We are going to click the Add Response button, and then we're going to use the Text tool, it's a big T, or the Camera tool, or any of the creative tools to share about yourself with the bingo template. Then we're going to use the microphone to record your creation. Be creative and have fun. So the first thing you're going to do is click Add Response. You're going to find your name. Again, I'm going to be the sample student. And you are going to either use the text box or take pictures of your name to fill this out. So I'm going to choose to use the text box, and I just clicked the T, and I can type in this, so the letters in my name, K-E-L-L-I-E. So I have 6 letters in my name, so I'm going to type the letter 6 here, and then I am going to click on my pointer tool. I'm going to move this over here. My age, I'm going to type another text box. I am 28. I'm going to use my pointer tool, and I'm going to move that under my age. My birth month. Well, I was born in May, so we have January, February, March, April, May. So my birth month is 5. So I'm going to type 5. Click my pointer tool and move my text box over here. My birth date, I was born on the 21st. My birthday is May 21st, so my birth date is 21. I'm going to use my pointer tool, move it here. I'll come back to the middle me space. People in my family. Well, in my family I have my mom, my stepdad, my brother, and myself. So there's 4 people in my family. So I'm going to type 4. Again, use my pointer tool. Number of pets. I have 1 pet, and her name is Tilly. And I will make this box smaller so I can add a picture of Tilly, which I'm going to upload from my pictures. So I'm going to scroll and find a picture of Tilly. Oh no, there she is. Okay, use that one. Here we go. So here's Tilly. I'm going to make her smaller, and I'm going to put her in the pets box. My shoe size. Well, I wear a size 7, and you can find your shoe size if you're wearing tennis shoes or sneakers. You can look where you tie your laces under the tongue and find your shoe size, or you can ask whomever you live with what your shoe size is. And the last one, favorite number. My favorite number is 14 because when I played soccer, that was the number on the back of my jersey. So the last thing I need to do is add a picture of myself. So again, I'm going to click upload if you have any pictures. If you don't, I'll show you what to do in just a second. Here's a picture of me. Make me smaller, and I will put me right there. If you don't have any pictures on your device, that is fine. You can click here and click photo, and it will take a picture of you from your camera, or you could draw a picture of yourself using the tools down at the bottom. So when you are finished, you are going to click the microphone and make a recording of your math about me. So I'll just do a few of the boxes. You're going to do all of the boxes, but I'm just going to do a few to show you. I'm going to click Start. My name is Kelly, Kellie. So I have 6 letters in my name. I am 28 years old. I was born in May, so my birth month is 5, January, February, March, April, May. And that was just a brief way to show you how to record. When you are all finished, you're going to click the Done check mark. And then click the check mark again. And it says it's going to take a few minutes, and you just click OK and wait.